Everyone has had to start over at some point. For some, it's a new job or a new town, or just letting go of something and moving on. For others, it's leaving the only life they knew behind. We all have an imperfect past, so we all understand the value of a second chance. Second chances are what Phoenix Woodworking is all about. Our symbol, the phoenix, to us, it means something very simple. Renewal, rising again, the integrity and fidelity it takes to do that. Our phoenix is a badge for fresh starts. It's a flag for supporting those taking that step. So fly your phoenix. Show support for those who are trying again, because we've all been there.